Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have my lovely sister here with me. But today I am doing her makeup because I just want to show you guys like how I do my makeup for Swirl. Since that's coming up, feel free to hit me up. $10 she gets for free because my mom won't let me charge her. But anyways, I am going to start now. I'm going to start with her eyebrows. I am taking the Dip Brow Pomade. When doing people's eyebrows, it's important to like keep their natural shape, like what they already have, and just work with it. So you don't want to put like a abnormal shape on their eyebrows because like it can look funky and they probably won't end up liking it. So when you're doing other people's makeup, just make sure you adhere to their natural shape. Next, I'm taking my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. Next, I am taking this middle shade right here and setting her eyes with that. Today I am taking my Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to go in with these two shades right here. I'm going to be taking that in her crease. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade right here. Next, I'm going to mix in these two brown shades right here. I'm going to be taking that on her outer V. Next, I'm taking this sparkly shade right here. I'm not saying that all eyeshadow looks require a wing, but I'm saying most do require a wing to make them look a lot better. So if you can, always add a wing. It like makes your look from like a 6 to a whole 10. Ain't that right? Next, I'm going to be taking my Fenty foundation in the shade 200 and putting that on her face. Next, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. Next, I'm taking my Coty Airspun powder and baking her. Okay.
Just kidding.
I'm just going to be blending in that bake. Next, I'm going to contour her face, and I'm taking the shade right here. Next, I am taking this Too Faced blush. This is Your Love is King. Next, I am taking this Nicole Guerrero highlighter kit, and I'm taking the shade Forever Young. Next, I'm going to be finishing off the eyes, and I'm going to take the shade and run it underneath her eyeballs. Okay guys, this is the finished look. If you guys like this video, give it a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, Galesburg area, swirls coming around. All my social media links will be listed down below, and so will Bailey's. Hit me up for swirl. Peace out, Girl Scout.